How to check how long you have been subscribed to someone on YouTube. So, checking that you have subscribed to someone on YouTube for how much time is quite easy and simple. Just you need to open any browser and log into your account on that Google account. After that, you need to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Manage your Google account. Once you are accessed on this page, you need to simply select Data and Privacy. And on this Data and Privacy section, you need to scroll all the way down and select YouTube History under the History settings. Now you need to go all the way down and select Manage History. On this YouTube History page, on the left panel, you will see different options. Simply select Interactions. And here you need to scroll all the way down and under all the YouTube interaction, you need to select channel subscriptions. And then along with the date and the year, you will easily see the time period on how long you have been subscribed to someone on YouTube. You can see 21 November 2023 and 8th November, 7th November, and many more here is given. So in this way, you can easily check how long you have been subscribed to someone on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.